Ever wondered how to upgrade your computer's performance? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the world of RAM and video card installations, two of the most impactful upgrades you can make to supercharge your PC. Let's start with the basics. RAM, or random access memory, is your computer's short-term memory. It's where your computer keeps the data it needs to access quickly and often. On the other hand, a video card, also known as a graphics card, is responsible for rendering images, videos, and animations. Upgrading these two components can significantly improve your computer's performance. So, how does one go about this task? First things first, always remember to power down your computer and unplug it before starting. It's also a good idea to ground yourself by touching something metal to avoid any static electricity that might damage the components. To upgrade the RAM, locate the memory slots on your computer's motherboard. They're usually long, thin slots near the CPU. Most motherboards have 2 to 4 RAM slots. If you're adding more RAM, make sure to buy the same type that's already in your computer. If you're replacing the RAM, buy a new one that's compatible with your motherboard. To install the RAM, open the clips on either side of the slot. Then, align the notch on the bottom of the RAM with the ridge in the slot. Gently push the RAM into the slot until the clips snap into place on their own. If they don't, push them into place manually. Now let's move on to the video card. First, locate the PCI Express slot on your motherboard. It's typically the longest slot and is usually located near the CPU. Remove the existing video card, if there is one, by unscrewing it from the back of the computer and gently pulling it out of the slot. To install the new video card, align the card with the PCI Express slot and gently push it into place. Then screw the card into the back of the computer to secure it. After you've installed both the RAM and the video card, reconnect all the cables and power up your computer. To summarize, upgrading your computer's performance involves the following steps. 1. Power down and unplug your computer. 1. Ground yourself to avoid static electricity. 1. Locate the memory slots and the PCI Express slot on your motherboard. 1. Replace or add new RAM by pushing it into the memory slots. 1. Replace or add a new video card by pushing it into the PCI Express slot. 1. Secure the video card by screwing it into the back of the computer. 1. Reconnect all the cables and power up your computer. Remember, while upgrading your computer's performance can seem daunting, with a bit of patience and the right tools, it's a task well within your reach. Happy upgrading!